March 5th, 4:52.
Yeah, so here we are again in Wichita in the middle of the night, or driving to Wichita in the middle of the night.
I tried to make it earlier, but it didn't work. That's why he's looking.
You gonna sing?
Gonna
This
sing?
is Luke Alexander.
Thank you.
Luke? Oh.
Luke Alexander, and he has, you can't tell, but it's like almost like white blonde hair.
Oh.
I'm gonna show off your head, and he came out kind of funny. So his cone head is at the front.
He's born at 7:29.
I know, turn it this way, 7:29. And he doesn't have any other details right now, because he's loving on Mama.
We'll try to see pictures up maybe around those.
Oh,
Bless you.
bless you.
I'm the cool aunt.
It's nice.
The fun aunt. Stole that Aunt Jennifer tried to steal my time.
Okay, yeah. It's a little better, yeah. But you want to play with blocks or something? What do you...
Grandpa's the best at that, I'll tell ya.
Are you ready to go meet your baby?
Hi, buddy.
Hi.
You want to come see the baby?
Hey, Benjamin. Look who's here. Look, what is that? Who is this? Is that your baby? He's smiling at you. You see his fingers? You want to touch his fingers? Where are his fingers? Yeah.
Can you give him a 5?
Can you give him a high five? He's going to give you a high five. Ready? High five. Say high five. Oh, he doesn't know how to do high fives yet. Do you want to hold him? Okay. Sorry. I'm kind of attached in all kinds of ways. Put your arm like this.
Oh, he likes you.
Oh, he does like you.
Can we see your cute face? Jeez. Can you give the baby kisses?
He's a good handful.
He is.
Yeah.
He is.
I think he's bigger than his brother.
I think for sure.
Yeah.
Was. Not is.
Look at his cute little fat legs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
7'10"?
7'7". And he's 6'8".
Oh, 7'7". Okay.
Oh, look at that.
Gonna go to.
Oh.
His hair looks like it's like gray almost. It does. I turned it. I don't know if I'll put it back on. Oh, aren't you
All right.
I'm beautiful. So handsome.
I'm still in the very delicate stage.
Big Ben and little Luke. I'm sure that'll grow old real quick.
Just laying around.
Just laying around.
Oh,
Just laying around.
who's here?
Hi. I missed you so much.
It's gonna be time for me to feed your brother. Where does your brother get his food? You're a smart boy.
Your hands are humongous, child.
No.
Are those his hands?
No.
Can you give him 5? Or how about you give him, go like this. Give him fist punches. Where's his mouth? Where's his nose? How many eyes does he have?
Promise? I'm doing your training sandwich.
This is not your baby? Whose baby is it? He wants to give you 5. Oh. Did he give you 5 more? Are you guys gonna be best buds?
Yeah.
Who's your best friend?
This.
Oh, are you letting him hold Daddy? Look, he's letting him hold Percy.
Oh,
She's
that's
holding
very
Percy,
nice.
like real close up of his fingers.
You're gonna be a good big brother.
Another one.
Won't you throw it?